Assalamu alaikum. Today activity 12A, chapter number 12, ICT O level. In this activity we have to open an image snow gel using any software package, any suitable package. You can use Photoshop or GIMPs. Rotate the image to 90-degree clockwise and save this image in snow gel 1. Just we have to rotate the image to 90 degree and show this evidence to finish the images, the file name and file sizes. So number one, file name and file size is you have to make the screenshot of this screen file size in kilobyte and file name. The file name is our snowgel1.jpg. I am going to the source files, and here I find a picture snow and gel, and I open this picture in Photoshop, and I just drag here. You just have to rotate to 90 degree. I'll just click on the image, and then I'll click on the image rotation, and I'll click 90 degree clockwise. The image is just like this. Now I say click on the save as button, and I make a folder here on the desktop or anywhere. I click on the new folder and I rename it or give it this the name our work area or worked, and I save this image in snowgel1.png or jpg that given in your book according to PNG. Okay, I also use PNG and I'll click save. Okay, the file is saved now, and we have to give the evidence. How I give the evidence? I again go to the desktop, open our work area folder, and here is this file. For evidence, I click on the view and detail, and in detail you can see now here is the size of the image and here is the name of the image. If in the question or activity you ask for the modification date or dimensions, you just click here and you also choose dimensions or anything from here. This time the dimensions is not required, so just we have to make the screen share short, and I open the snipping tool and I click the new and I'll capture this, and I'll click on the save snip, and then in the same folder in our work area I evidence 1, just I evidence 1, you can give any name here. So this is our evidence image, and this normally we copy the evidence in Microsoft Word. So this was the activity 12A, and all the tasks are already I make the video and you can see that video. In that video I'll discuss all the tasks of unit number 12, and now I'm going to discuss the activities. In this video I just discussed the 12A. In my next video you can see activity 12B. Thank you very much.